Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to see removing of multiple votes by using deduplication analysis. Introduction. The deduplication analysis project aims to improve voting system integrity by eliminating duplicate votes. It uses advanced data analytics and machine learning techniques to identify and eliminate multiple votes, ensuring fair representation. This innovative solution mitigates fraudulent practices and enhances transparency, uploading democracy principles and reinforcement public trust in the electoral process. The project is a groundbreaking initiative in the fight against electoral fraud. Objective of the project. The removing of multiple votes by using deduplication analysis project aims to improve voting system accuracy and reliability by utilizing advanced data analysis techniques and the data voter Excel database. This will enable user registration, login, and management while identifying and eliminating duplicate voter entries, thereby ensuring data integrity, mitigating fraud, and strengthening electoral transparency and credibility. Requirements. These are the requirements needed to execute this project. Hardware requirements: operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 10 GB and above. Software requirements needed are Python 3.70 version and MySQL Workbench. To execute this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is user sign up. This module allows a new user to sign up for the system. The user provides necessary information such as username, email, and password to create a new account. The second module is user login. Users who have signed up can use this module to log into the system. They need to enter the credentials, username, and password to access their account. The third module is search voter by ID. This module enables users to search for voter records based on a specific voter ID. The user enters a voter ID and the system retrieves and displays the corresponding voter information. The next module is add or register new voter to existing data voter Excel file. In this module, users can add new voter information to the existing data voter Excel file. Users enter the details of the new voter such as ID, name, address, etc. After submitting, the system adds this information to the Excel file. The next module is remove duplicates and display chart with all records and unique records length. So this module focuses on data deduplication. It identifies and removes duplicate records from the data voter Excel file. After performing the deduplication process, the module generates a chart that visualizes the count of records before and after the deduplication. The last module is download unique data. So users can download a file containing the unique records after the deduplication process. This module provides a link to download the file, which includes the filtered records without any duplicates. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project's source code files. This is the deduplication folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. These files serve the purpose of removing duplicates. This is the deduplication app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application, and the deduplication app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And we also have Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is the data voter Excel file, which contains details like voter ID, age, name of the person, father's or husband's name, etc. This is the DB file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is the main IPYNB file. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. This is the unique Excel file where the data after removing duplicates will be saved, and this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. This file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Now double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. So in the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address and the port, unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it in any web browser. I prefer Chrome, and type index.html at the end. After entering index.html at the end, hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using the Django framework. So now if we are new users, we have to sign up first. Click on new user sign up here button. And here we can see a registration page where we have to provide the necessary details to create a new account. So I'm filling in all these details now. The username would be True Projects 800 and the password would be, type the password, give the contact number, give the email ID and type the address. So after filling in all these details, click on register button. In the blue color text, we can see sign up process completed. Now click on user login button. So here, enter the previously mentioned username and password, True Projects 800, and give the correct password. So after giving the correct credentials, click on login button. So here we can see view by voter ID, add new voter, remove duplicate data, download unique data and logout buttons. So click on view by voter ID button. So we can see a search voters by voter ID screen. Enter the voter ID. So I have selected this voter ID. I have took this voter ID from the data voter Excel sheet and click on search button. So here we can see all the records with the entered voter ID. There are many records existing on the same voter ID number. So these are all duplicates. And now click on add new voter button and fill in all these details and click on submit button to add a new voter record. So the name would be Swati and enter the father or husband's name. Give the age, select the gender, type the voter ID number and give the Aadhaar card number. So after filling in all these details, click on submit button. So in the blue color text, we can see new record added to existing data voter.xlsx and you can open and verify that Excel file. And now we will again click on view by voter ID button and enter the previously mentioned voter ID, that is 9000, and click on search. So here we can see the newly added member record. Now click on remove duplicate data button. So here on the x-axis I have before deduplication and after deduplication, and on y-axis I have count. And we can see number of records have been reduced after deduplication. Close this graph and on the screen we can see total records before deduplication are 506 and total records after deduplication are 177. Now click on download unique data button. So we can see a unique Excel file has been downloaded. Open this file. So here we can see all 176 unique data. So now click on logout button. The conclusion here is The removing of multiple votes by using deduplication analysis project utilizes advanced machine learning techniques and data analysis to eliminate duplicate voter entries, enhancing the accuracy and transparency of voting systems. This project underscores the importance of technology in safeguarding democratic systems, integrity, and upholding fairness, thereby enhancing the credibility of the electoral process. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.